with the Court of Common Pleas because the state would not issue title to you?
No, my title had been lost.
So you had to file like a lost title application.
That's right.
And is this a normal procedure that you have to do this through the state court, Common Pleas?
Through the county court, yeah, I followed the proper procedure.
Huh. I mean, they could try to dispute title on this, is what I'm...
No, they can't. They'd have to produce a title, an alternative, in the alternative, I'm thinking.
Well, you know there's a title in Alabama on this damn car, and one in Georgia.
These are...
Well, they're bogus titles, I know.
Improvisations made by Anderson, I think.
I know. I think he ought to go to jail just for doing that.
Yeah. That's all they would have, and they better not bring that up.
Well, actually, they did bring that up yesterday. I mean, that's why I'm a little worried. We need to get our ducks in a row here. Do you have what Court of Common Pleas? What county was that in, Carl?
Court of Common Pleas, Hamilton County, Ohio.
Court of Common Pleas, Hamilton County?
County, Ohio.
All right, well, I'm going to call them and see what they have on file and get a certified copy of it.
Sure.
And I'd say the next thing we need to do is I need to get a copy of that signed document from him. At that point, if this starts going a little sideways, I say that we sue them immediately. We now would have jurisdiction in the state of New York because he came to New York. He signed the document in front of a notary in New York.
Mm-hmm.
And I do know, they slipped this up yesterday, but Philippe has a bank account in New York, and we could probably attach that bank account with a prejudgment writ.
Hmm.
Yeah. I'm just thinking that, every angle we can pursue on this.
Sure.
I say, if we get any hint of any funny business going on, we sue the bastard.
Mm-hmm. Right.
All right. Well, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to call the court now, find out what they have. If you can, if you have that gentleman's number, his brother's phone number, try to find it, Carl, and let's call him and see if he'll give us a written offer with a dollar amount on it and signed. What else? And I mean, there's no. Have you turned that place upside down looking for that data plate?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is the next thing. We need to go ahead and report that data plate stolen, like today or tomorrow, Carl. You may have to go down to the Green Township Police Department and tell them that data plate, and I'll have Ken Crook call them to verify of the importance of that data plate, because I told Ken this yesterday. I said, Carl can't find that data plate, and he says, uh-oh.
Mark, ordinarily that's not a factor in the transaction.
Carl, you don't understand. It's very important. It's not important in this transaction, but it's important in the sense that it could devaluate this whole scenario by the fact that somebody else might have possession of it. They could dispute title saying, well, geez, Karl Kleve sold me the car. He gave me this data plate. And then all they have to do is come up with some bogus bullshit document, and then we got to go to court and dispute it, and and here we go again. I mean, I've been involved in these wars, Carl. People come up with some weird stuff when you start dealing with cars of this kind of amount.
Yeah.
Don't put it, don't brush it off that some kind of crap won't come up, because it will. I mean, look at the ridiculous things that have happened in this case already.
Yeah.
Murphy law applies in this case.
What is the status of this hearing that was supposed to have been Monday?
He put it off, saying that he was in Spain for medical treatment.
Oh, he's going to pull that.
He did pull it. That's what he did on Monday. He did that Monday. I got a call from the attorney.
And as a basis for that, they're asking for a continuance?
Yeah. So I'm saying, screw that. Let's stop being nice now. It's very suspicious what he's doing. Let's just file the damn motion that he's in contempt file a motion to compel him to come. If he doesn't come this time, let's make an order of contempt and arrest him.
Right.
Let's quit being nice about all this. It's not going anywhere. The only thing these people understand is being mean, and
yeah.
So that's what we'll be.
Yeah,
they think that we're chumps or something. We've given them every opportunity. We've tried, to be nice and be amicable, and that's just not working.
You did not give them a copy of the settlement agreement?
No way. I wasn't going to give them anything unless we got a copy of his stuff. And
right.
So, well,
a way to exchange that properly?
Well, I didn't want to exchange it because I wanted to talk to you first.
That's right. So we'll go on that.
That's why I kept calling you, and I asked Ken, what should I do? What should I do? And he said, well, he says, Mark, you better talk to Carl before you hand anything over. I said, well, that's my thoughts. I can't get a hold of Carl. He said, well, just leave today. What's it going to hurt that you didn't give it to him? You can always, go back and do it later.
Yeah.
So, we didn't lose anything by this happening yesterday.
Very good.
We did. I did. If anything, it was good because I have a better understanding of what type of tricky things that they might try to pull. But we better get our ducks in a row in this court thing up in Ohio.
I don't see any problem there.
All right. Well, I'll call them now,
okay.
And I'm sure I'll be getting a call from somebody today with this, and I'll call Piero, find out how he's coming with this situation over there, and we'll keep going.
Yeah, the courthouse here in Hamilton County, if you don't have it, is 632-6500.
I'm sorry, that's a phone number?
Yeah, with a 513 prefix.
513?
632-6500.
6500.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, my boy.
All right, I'll be talking to you.
Very good.
Thanks, Carl.
Thanks to you.
Bye-bye.
This was a conversation of 21 July 1990.